Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Evriholder Furemover pet hair removal. It does take a little effort, as it's like a rubber rake on your carpet, and it might not get everything at once, so it may take multiple passes. It's crazy how much it cleans out of the other so cool utility rugs for wet dog feet and out rugs at back haul. If you have pets that shed like crazy, and don't have this broom yet, you're missing out. Go get one now. The rubber bristles are soft enough to squish down so the broom can slide under the couch, or behind doors, too. It's great for getting against the kick plates of our counters. The rubber fingers get into grooves like around the wipers and handles, and the squeegee makes it easy to clear the windshield. But it's a standard thread, so you can replace it with practically any broom handle if it does snap. It's fine on hardwood or tile, but for carpets you need to be able to lean on that handle a little more. Now it's perfect. And for messy school projects, the soft rubber bristles are easily cleaned with a hose. Highly recommend this broom. With all this said, it is pulling hair from an old carpet that hasn't been properly cleaned, only vacuumed, which was done 5 days ago. The value of this gadget for me is in cleaning carpeted stairs. It works well, and carries no heavy vacuum to carry. In our experience also, coarse or knotted carpets respond better to the vacuum anyway, and for some reason don't hold the dog hair as badly. If it doesn't seem to be working well, reorient yourself on the carpet, and attack it from a different angle. The stick is removable, and for me, keeping it off was what worked best for the carpet, and all the small spaces the dog hair stuck to. This puppy, no pun intended, is crazy good at pulling hair out of area rugs. The trick is short strokes with the bristle side, and then sweeping toward you with the squeegee side. It's all rubber, and pet hair, there's not much bells and whistles you could add to improve things. It's decently built, fairly sturdy, and the telescoping handle ensures you are not ruining your back while indulging in cleaning the rugs. It does well on stairs, and all those favorite spots the pets like to lay on, like by your furniture, and windows they like to see out of. It's a minor annoyance, but it does kind of balance out to be able to easily change the length of the broomstick. If you have a back issue, it can be really easy to overdo it with this, and strain your back, so be careful. It loosens the hair up really well, so there's not a ton of hair left in your dryer when you put pet items through the laundry. That huge pile came from one large area rug that had been vacuumed less than a week ago. Not only it is great for getting the fur off rugs, it's even better on the hard floors. The one downside is that the threaded part of the head is rubber with no reinforcement. It not only gets the pet hair, but things like Christmas tree needles, which the Furminator is not as great at. Nope. This fine white hair is embedded in the fiber, and vacuuming doesn't come close. This was recommended by a fellow seeing eye puppy raiser who had 2 German Shepherds of her own. It works incredibly well for removing German Shepherd hair from our hardwood floors, wall-to-wall carpet, and floor mats. How long you have to sweep depends on your carpet, your dog, and the amount of dog fur in your carpet. No amount of vacuuming or sweeping could pull the dog hair out of the mats. With the rubber broom, it took about 10 minutes per mat. One is 2x3, and the other is 3x4, and the mats are now spotless. And the broom handle telescopes, so it's easy to pack and take on vacation with the dog. This squeegee solved that problem, and has managed to keep everything in a tight string of hair. It is actually unbelievable how much hair she loses, a minimum of 1 Dyson canister every single day. The broom is amazing right on the plank flooring, but flip it over to the squeegee side, and sweep the rugs to get the most dog hair off even after vacuuming. It also works well in Western-style bathrooms that lack a drain on the main bathroom floor. The throw carpets catch all the fur, and it's a pain to vacuum all the time. It sweeps up better than a traditional broom, and is easier than lugging the vacuum cleaner around every day. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.